Hey, hello and welcome to this live. It's a wonderfully rainy day here. It's been raining non-stop in Mumbai, but we keep it going. This one is the last live of the week. Yes, it's been a phenomenal month, full of so much that we have done. And our final event, of course, final live, and then final event for the month is going to be our Hyderabad show, which is on Tuesday, which is 29th and 30th. And we're going to be at Taj Krishna at the Pearl Room, and it's a full day, 2-day event when we're going to be here from 11 to 8, right? That's the time. So 11 to 8, 2 full days. It's a phenomenal chance again to kind of touch and shop, and lots of gorgeous collection that we've launched recently. All of it we're going to be bringing to you. If you do have some requests, specific ones from the premium collection, do let us know. उसमें हम कई बार थोड़ा ले जाते हैं, थोड़ा नहीं ले जाते, so it depends. So just make sure that if you have something in mind, you send us the screenshot and we'll carry it with us. And this one is about 3 main themes. One is the pink bandhni. This one has been our especially popular collection, Katan silk, and thank you, you guys are amazing. In Delhi you can shop from us via WhatsApp. ये lives आप देख रहे हैं, वीडियो सारे लगे हुए हैं. And even if you are new to us, just order 1 piece and see. Cash on delivery available है. I know many of you from Delhi and Gurgaon coming to our pages recently, like it's like pouring in. And the best way, as I always say, don't buy too much, just buy 1 piece, feel that confidence, and then we're here for you. And Hyderabad to chaliye, we are coming, so that's an added plus. And for everybody in Mumbai, yes, WhatsApp hai hamesha, and the studio is also there, so choose whatever works for you better. Now, this pink bandhni fabric, 6,000 per meter. My look is 2.5 for the dupatta. It's a really nice soft look. And then the kurta for the bottom, I've gone for a plain silk katan bottom. So that's my look in the base color. So I've kept it plain. I know the last time some of you bought same on same. I know this fabric has also been on pre-order. Jitne bhi pre-orders hai, they're all getting processed now. So that's the thing. And this is the entire look. So 6,000 per meter, and the katan silk bottom laid, chiniya laid, you can do either of the two. So that's the look that you're going for, and you can place your order right away for it. Now the other thing that we're going to be showing you is some wonderful, jada options here, 2, 3, but stunning each one of them, Munga silk fabric. Now look at this one. This is with Meena. I particularly like the fact that you can keep it all neutral, or you can wear it with a contrasting dupatta. As we go along, we will be showcasing many of the dupatta options for you to pick up in natural ones. Okay, but for now I'm going to be just showing you. I hope you have something more interesting than warm water. But yes, so this one works really well as a same on same look, but we always have plain Munga silk which you can pair with it for your bottom. That also works really well. Now this is the combination. Let's show you. Probably you have a stunning orange dupatta. If you do, just pair it up with it. Okay, it's going to look really nice, or even pink for that matter. But एक option तो मुझे of course दिखाना ही चाहिए, so that somebody who does not have it can pick it up as a complete set. There you go. That's your full look. I think it looks really nice. This dupatta is a 20,800 dupatta. You can see it right here. Look at that. That's the whole look with the tassels. This one, okay, now I'm also going to be sharing it open so that you can see it like this. Okay, now you have seen it. Okay, so when you are in the mood to do something dressy, go same on same. When you want a dressy kurta but a plain bottom, that can also be done. From there we're going to go to the pink look that we were talking about. A pink color is really difficult for us to be able to crack in the perfect way. We use the most amazing shade cards for creating our colors, professional ones, which come only for our collections, okay, and not for individual dyeing. But certain shades are still missing. We've been trying to work on it to get those possible colors for you. Now I'm going to keep this dupatta side. That's my dupatta. The kurta, you can see it's a simple A-line, which you'll need 3 meters of bottom, which is 2.5, and dupatta is 2.5. That's my dupatta. If you want 3 meters, then you can also do that. Okay. Now this one is a phenomenal shade in pink, and it is so soft, so nice. I think it's come out just the way that we've been kind of wanting it to. Now that's a dupatta 12,800 in this ultra soft pink. Okay, now there you go, you can see it. It's a no tassel look. If you want gold tassels, we can do it. The charges are extra for that. So yes, now with it today I'm going to be showing you a couple of options, but सबसे पहला जो option है वो ये है. This is our pure cotton fabric. I'm also going to open it up for you right here so that you can see it. This is 4,800 per meter. It's got a gold zari. Now you will see that this look that I'm wearing, this pink that I'm showing, this moonga silk that I'm showing, they're all collections that you can actually wear in this season. I know for the wedding season and the pre-wedding events, these are so good. You know, they're perfect for Rakhi, for all of the, you know, celebrations, your festivals hain, which are right there. This is also good. You know, look at that. That's a wonderful combination. All you will need is a plain bottom and it's going to be perfect with it. Okay, so you'll be seeing some more options in this shade. So just hang around, see all of that, and then you can go for the final look. Now I'm also going to be showing you, along with the look that I'm wearing, the other pieces that are here for you to be able to wear. Somebody saying come to Pune. I'm going to invite you to our studio in Mumbai. Yes, Pune is definitely, we have so many of you from Pune, but I think it just happens that we close hone se we never make it. But meanwhile, while we plan that, okay, for maybe next year or the second part of the year this year, you must make a trip down to Mumbai, you know, and yes, we will entertain you for the entire day. So if you can make it, it'll be really good. Now look at that. That's a fabulous fabric again, Katan silk base, and this is all 6,000 per meter. अब इसके साथ एक तो ऑप्शन मैंने आपको दिखाया जैसा मैंने पहना हुआ था, same on same, you can do that. But if you think that maybe a lighter dupatta is all that you're looking for, because that's what I was saying, all that we are showing you, they're great for pre-weddings and, you know, all the events and the parties and the going out, plus celebrations at home, and you know, there's Ganpati, there's Tej, there is Rakhi, and there are so many more. These are really good all around for that. And light dupatta 3,600, we have done it in the color of the bani. It's a great option. Now I'm going to show you another option that you can go for if you're going to go for a pink bani. So I'm wearing a pink bani. Of course the color of the bani is more deeper in my case, but a Georgette dupatta, if that's what you're looking for, then you can also go for something like this. And khud mein hi ye dupatta, it's a beautiful one. It looks amazing, whether this is of course the name monogram, and this looks amazing as a plain suit and dupatta, or if you want to something add like this, then this is really nice as well. This is the fabric that I'm wearing. So I think all in all, it's something that you really can enjoy in so many scenarios. I'm going to now show you a moonga silk fabric, जिसके साथ भी ये बहुत सुंदर जाएगा, and it's going to be this one. So look at that. That's a really nice moonga silk fabric. I'm going to show you the close up as well so that you can have a full complete look. You can buy it again, as I said, by the meter. जितना आप चाहें, 3 ले 5 ले for a कलीदार kurta and a plain bottom, or you can go same on same. So look at that. That's one option, and it does look good. It can be dyed. Of course, Georgette की जो sheen होती है, that's something else altogether. So that's always there. Now I'm going to show you a very interesting dupatta along with it, and that's going to be this one. So what do you see here? It is an ombre. It's a moonga ombre in all of this, starting from a natural color to this two, you know, variants of browns and, you know, slight touch of pink. And why I think it's so perfect is that when you see a plain moonga, of course इससे कोई भी आप color चाहें, so we can kind of dye it for you. If you say that you want this shade or you want this shade, you know, this shade or this shade, it can be right for you. But what I do want to show is that it is so perfect because दोनों ही natural में है. Now you see it together and it looks wonderful, but then there is always that more touch with it. So it's a really nice for a very subtle look as a combination to be wearing it with this pairing of natural one. Is natural moonga mein we have 3 options. I've shown you 2. There's one more to go, right? And with that, any of those 3, you can take this dupatta. But of course, वो जो मीना वाला है, उसमें orange या pink ज़्यादा better लगेगा. Now I'm going to also show you another fabric. That's our chinia silk, buta, and yes, you can see this combination. Now, what do you see? This is our beautiful lightweight karwa and Georgette dupatta, very narrow border for somebody who likes it, you know, little lesser. we have the broad borders, we have the thinner ones, we have it all in fact. Okay, so you see the flow of this dupatta is just gorgeous, and the color, kya baat hai, I think it's such an amazing color to build up. You can wear jewelry, you really can dress it up, you can accessorize it, you can do accentuation, and that's going to be a combination for chinya. And this plain chinya bottom agar aap iske saath karte hain, it's a really nice, I think under 40 look. So it looks phenomenal, it looks great. I think under 35 hoga in fact, if I'm not wrong. So a really great look for you to be going for. I think it's going to be 34 something, 2.5 meter kurta, dupatta, plain bottom, sab kuch. Okay, so from that we continue with us pink combinations, and this one, each one. Okay, now the one that you're seeing in my hand is a chanderi cotton, and it's got just this touch of red meena, but you'll see why it looks particularly useful and nice for this look is this. The ombre dupatta, yes, all the prices, just check it up on WhatsApp, we're there for you, and look at this combination. What are you seeing? It's the most beautiful shade of a pink bandhni dupatta, look at that, okay, in cotton and guard chola with the tassels on, it's got it all. This dupatta 22,800, and now with it you have this combination. Okay, now what are you seeing? That's your perfect combination because texture is similar hai, look is such a nice one. Like, look at this, let me just open this fabric, you really can see it's of course karwa in it, and there you go. That's the fabric that you're seeing, 4,800 per meter. You can just buy it by the meter. Okay, and that's the dupatta. I think it's a great combination to be wearing when you have something like all comfort, style, softness together. This is it. All the lines that you see, that's the natural texture of the fabric. It will be there, that you can kind of you have to be wearing it with that. So that's one. Yes, you can. A red, ideally I would prefer pink or yeah, somebody's asking that if a red Patni dupatta, if I correctly read it, which I'm assuming is in Katan. Now if it is in Katan, Amunga and Katan, they work well together, but to me I would wear a Katan on a Katan or a chinia. For me that's a combination that I prefer. But yes, sometimes some combination just work out so well that it can work. Now there you go, this is your Georgette fabric. It's a newest design in gold, and you can see it here. It's flowy, it's dyeable, it's everything that you want in a look. Okay, and now what we're going to be doing with it is we are going to be showing you two masterpieces in Georgette, in Karwa, in dupatta, and there you go. These are two absolutely wonderful Georgette dupatta. You can see it, it's in jal, it's in Karwa, it's clean, it's phenomenal. Okay, now this is going to be looking wonderful with this. See it together, I think it looks superb when you see these two together. But the greatest thing is, of course, it's dyeable. ये जो आप जाल देख रहे हैं ये पूरा करवा में, of course this is in cut work, the fabric. So this fabric is a really good price. This one is our premium range of dupattas in Georgette, and you can wear together. The zari is very similar, but of course इनकी zari थोड़ी अलग होती है. And you can dye it, wear it with white and pink if you like, because I know many of you are looking for those pastel combinations. And also you can go for this two looks. So that contrast white, you can go for a long flowy silhouette, and then you can wear this beautiful dupatta, or you can go all green. Both of it is possible with this fabric. So that's the good part. Now one black wonderful fabric that's always good as a same on same is this one. It's a beautiful jamewar fabric, and you can see it with just a touch of gold. So any black dupatta you have, just go for it. You cannot go wrong. Blacks may be shade hote hai, and there's always that. Okay, and I'll say this, even pure blacks have another jet black shades, but they can also vary. It's pretty complicated when it comes to creating black. So when I say that, if you are matching something, probably you have, there may be a difference in the black with it, but at the end of it, like when you see it even here, I mean, of course, abhi main kuch dikha nahi rahi uske sath, but my point is that it's creating that look, and that is what you should go for. For anybody, in general, मेरी advice है, अगर आप बहुत particular हैं for colors to be 100% same, then you can only go for yarn dyed suits, okay, because that is the only way they will be the same, or you know, like a complete matte zari look, जिसका भी मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको इसके बाद. But first things first, it's about creating a look, and I'm going to show it to you how. Now that's your look. That's one of our most premium designs that we make. It's called a Chandrakona. You can see it here. You can see the light bandhni right there. It's super fine. It almost looks like it's been printed, but believe me, all of this, you know, done by hand with the most amazing craftsmen and skill. So look at that. It's the most beautiful dupatta. It is all in karwa. The border is right there, and that's your look. I'm going to bring out the black fabric again to show it to you. Now let's add some more fun to it. I mean, look at that combination. You just cannot go wrong with it. Now if you want to kind of do some variation, break the black, as I would say. Cooling, this look cooling. I think it's so hot. This is a great kind of, you know, you can break it with this. This is a kota tissue fabric. Now not kota tissue, it's actually silk tissue, but it's been given this texture of a kota, which is this checkered that you see. Okay, now this is really soft, really nice. Okay, and I will show it to you. This you can go for your skirt when you're going for, but you'll see, this is actually gold zari, but जब आप इसको black करते हैं तो it becomes very muted. So that's going to be your something for you to decide कि whether, one second, I'm trying to show you these two together, black kurta with a tissue skirt. It's going to be amazing. Now you could be adding this black dupatta with it, and it's going to be something completely mind-blowing. Look at that. That's your combination. ये तीनों चीजें साथ में, or you can leave this and you can do the kurta and the tissue, and then you can do this two together. So you have both the choices for you to be able to do. For you to be able to do it. I don't know. I'm feeling really hot right now. I think it's that season where the temperature, it's either too cold or either it's like too warm. Anyways, so from that we're going to go on to, as I was saying, some completely matched looks. And you can see this one. This is Katan silk, and you can see the buta. You can see the entire look right there. And of course, it's going to be perfect in terms of its fabric, its colors, because it's been made together. That's the bottom that you're seeing, और इसके साथ ही दुपट्टा. I do have 3 options in this, जो मैं आपको तीनों साथ में दिखाऊंगी as full complete Katan silk suits. Well, Katan silk suits, really, you just cannot ever go wrong with it. It's your easiest way to dress any suit set, okay? Because आपने निकाला, आपने पहना, and you're done. So that's always really nice to have, especially in the times that we are very busy. Now these Katan silk suits can also carry good embroidery on it, so you really can kind of do something amazing with it, build on it, accentuate it. I've seen some of you do really heavy work on it. It's a good fabric to be doing it. You can do it. जब आप टिश्यू में करते हैं तो you have to know that it has a very limited life, pure tissue. So like if it's of course a special occasion, sometimes we are like chalo theek hai, we'll do it for that. Anyways, I get it. But otherwise, pure tissue will always have a limited life with very heavy work. Okay, and there you go. That's the kurta. So 3 suits for you. That's the bottom that I had in my hand. Or iske saath jo dupatta, it's a very delicate, nice design. And again, build it up, wear it as it is. It's about the fabulous fabric, the weave, the delicate look, and the really bold, amazing colors that you get to see. So it's like something you just cannot go wrong with. Okay, now we're going to go back to the bandhnis, and yeah, let's just get a few colors so that we can show you. Now I'm just showing you the bandhni for recreating the look that we want. It's the same, you wear it as a dupatta and you wear it as a kurta. It's a great thing to be kind of doing and matching it. Halke dupatte aap chahein to you can do, like this one is a little more greenish, I think, but I think we have just shown this for an example कि आप एक उसको contrast build कर सकते हैं. But as it is, it's like a beautiful fabric to kind of even. Now you can also do pretty, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा detailed का कली भी कर सकते हैं. There are two pink. This one, the one that I'm wearing, is kind of a darker one, and then there is this which is a softer pink. You can take whichever one you like, both available at the moment, or this is a really nice match to it, so you can go 3,600 for the dupatta. This is 6,000 per meter. I'm going to show it to you again, and you can almost see a contrast. This is darker, this is lighter. Now from that to a black, which you just cannot have enough. We did create three concepts in it: white per bandhni, colorful, and then white bandhni, and then colorful base, and then we've done color on color, where the bandhni and the base, they're both contrast colors. जो मैं next दिखाऊंगी आपको, the green, we can do the green I think in this, the second one, yeah. Now look at this. This is the fabric, that's the dupatta, one complete look. The moment you do a lighter dupatta, range becomes really nice. This is Katan silk. You can opt for a chinia bottom, you can go for a Katan bottom. So this is the color on color, which is the third concept. So this is one concept, this is the third one, and the second one was white bandhni and a colorful base. Now with this, again, I'm just showing you an option. This is one option for you to do it in terms of its color. You can pick up the same piece, और आप जॉर्जेट जो डायबल है हमारे, उसमें से भी कलर करा सकते हैं if you want to keep it a little more dressy. Look at that, it's the flow is just brilliant right there. Now the next one is okay, and it's a very unusual color. It's a shade of blue, okay, and it's like a aqua blue color, this one, and this is the dupatta with it. Light, floaty, just amazing. Now Kota silk is one of the few dupattas in this range that you can particularly make it look nice with silk bases, because it has a silk component. तभी वो color वो pick कर पाता है. When you go for a regular chanderi cotton, that does not have that attribute कि वो silk के साथ match कर पाए. This one is a phenomenal one. When you're looking for something heavy with a red bandhni, something totally different, this is going to be a great one. आज मैं red bandhni नहीं दिखा रही हूँ आपको, but I am going to show you a very nice look instead, and this is this, because it's easy to kind of imagine कि bandhni dupatta अच्छा लगेगा because it's got this deep red, but this one look, it's perfect, and I just think that you definitely must go for an A line, if not more, in terms of its kali. I'm coming down to the last few in the bandhnis, and then we'll go on to the other agendas that we have in this live. And yes, because it is the last live of the week. In fact, you're going to only now see us sometime next week, and that also Tuesday, okay? So it's going to be a break, but we are leaving with you with so much to shop. So that's the whole idea, that you should be seeing enough options. As a color reference, it works perfectly. You want to go for the dupatta itself, surely. Are we on to the last? Yes? Okay, from this we're going to go to the other than that's there, and here it is. Now you saw one was, this is like the olive green, the other one was like a forest green. Though ekdam alag greens hai, and of course they're both available. Now with this I've gone a little different. We have gone for a pairing of a munga silk dupatta in natural. आप मुझे अगर ये पूछे, all three bottom and dupatta and kurta with this, is it going to look nice? I think it's going to look smashing with the flow, with the feel. Bottom, of course, you want to save cost, just go for a plain chinia silk bottom, it will work. But otherwise, it's going to be a really nice look. So definitely kurta and dupatta तो आपको इसका try करना ही चाहिए. But yeah, if you want to go for a plain bottom, I get it. In fact, I did a plain bottom because I wanted to give the bandhni a break. That's our look as well. So now this one I'm going to show you a little differently. That's your kurta. So yes, I went for that look, but now I want to give you one more option for your bottom. When you want to just emphasize on having a beautiful kurta and a matching bottom with boota, then this is going to be your option, okay? Now look at that closely together. So you can wear a dressy dark bottom and one kalidar kurta with this, and wear a nice statement neck piece, and you are done. Okay, from that we're going to go on to something very, very different, and I want to show it together. Yeah, I want to show it together because I do have, I think, one pairing with the bandhni fabric. Now this is the tissue fabric, and if you have not tried it, you must wear it as a dupatta, wear it as a kurta and a bottom. You can do all three looks with the same fabric. It's got the flow. It's really easy, okay? So look at that. It's very, very soft. But you can do a kurta and a bottom, and then you can do it as a dupatta with this one. Now this is a tissue dupatta, so you can see that it's a tissue dupatta. It'll come with gold tassels, so that's 8,800. Now I know many of you have asked us, we are not dyeing these dupattas on request, but because there is a technical reason. I mean, I would love to dye it for you, but there are some colors which come well and some which don't. This has come out really well, so we would make it more like a collection rather than something we can compulsorily, dye with any color, because then there's always a chance that it may not work. Now this works so well as a 8,800, this fabric 2,200. Wear it with golden tassels and it will look amazing together. Now the next one, because ek hi overlap tha, now you say that you want to wear, like we did that bottom in chinia in that earlier one. I'm going to show you one for this bandi as well, and that's this. Look at how wonderful it looks as just as a bottom. So I'm going to just show you. इसके साथ ये खुद में ही बहुत सुंदर फैब्रिक है, वो अलग बात है. But if you want to go for it like this together, it's going to be a great piece. Let me show this one again to you. There you go. You can do it like this as a bottom, as a kurta, and it's got the right flow. Nothing sleek. Go for something very broad and loose, and it'll look nice. And you don't want a heavy dupatta, just go for a kota dupatta like this. The exact dyed name, but you get the idea that what you can do. Exact same way, we're going to create one last one with bandi. Then we're done with bandis, okay? And this is the red. It's phenomenal. And look at the flow. The hot striking dupatta with it, also in kota, ultra light, ultra nice. So it's like kurta agar aap lete hai, and this is going to be how much is going to be 2.5 meter kurta and this dupatta. You can go for that. It's going to be about, I think 15 plus, so 18,600 for this two piece, okay, dhai and the dupatta. And then we're going to add something more, and now I'm going to leave the dupatta, because in this case you can also match the dupatta with the bottom. Is this just as a bottom and a kurta? Look at that, how amazing. In fact, wear a lehenga of all of this. आप इसका पूरे का लहंगा पहन लें और इसका दुपट्टा ले लें, and that will also look nice, and it's just so good together. Okay, so from that we have another pink look for you, and this one is something, all of these looks are something you cannot miss. This one is 3,800 per meter, Chanderi cotton. Look at the softness, the beauty of it. The lines that you're seeing, it will come when you dye it in a light color. That is how it will look. The moment you put a lining, of course it doesn't show. So, and now with this one, I have the softest dupatta again. So there you go. There you can see the look. Chanderi is type ka, isme sona rupa hai, 3,800 per meter. And then this dupatta, which is 12,800. Look how perfect it looks. I think it's good. शायद same on same हो जाएगा, नहीं तो plain bottom ले लें चंदेरी का. You have a perfect full look for your, all the occasions, I would say. And from that, we'll go to this Georgette. Okay, rarely we make it in silver zari, but there you go. This one is in silver zari, and it's flowy and it's really pretty. Okay, अब दुपट्टे का इसका ऐसी बात है that you can go for many dupattas that you have. I'm going to also show you something. This dupatta is a pure gold dupatta. Okay, but when you dye it in black, it becomes muted, almost like an antique silver zari, and that is when you can wear it together. So honestly, if you ask me, कोई भी gold जो आप दुपट्टे हैं जब आप उनको dye करेंगे, क्योंकि आप dye कर रहे हैं, it's going to dip in that black hot water, it's going to take the color. And look at this, I think it looks really nice together. इसको आप पास से देखिए, I think it's wonderful to be going for it even as a set. So a premium dupatta, a dyeable fabric, wear it silver, I think you just cannot go wrong. I also want to show you some complete sets in Georgette, and look at that, they are like nice, bright, wonderful. You've seen them in our Rakhi boxes, and we do have some colors in it which I'm going to share with you. You can see it like this. They're like full sets, ready to go out, tassels done, and like right away. So you cannot go wrong with any of these colors, and they are phenomenal in terms of its brightness. Look at that. Here you go. That's your kurta. मैंने शायद उल्टा दिखाया. I'm going to show it to you like this. Yeah, that's the kurta, and you can go for the dupatta. There you go, the kurta and the dupatta. The plain bottom in my hands. Pick up any color. You know, it's a very particular nice palette that we've gone for. I think, you know, like all very similar shades but still very different. So take your favorite one from this. And this is something plain dyeing. Agar aapko chahiye lining, we always have lining. That's 480 per meter. We use Mal cotton lining. So yes, if you have any other preference, sure, just ask your tailor to color match it and you can get it stitched and it will be done. So it's that simple. Okay, from that we have, I think, the last 2-3 things that we want to show you. First things first is this. You've seen it with Meena. Now see it with Sona Rupa. This fabric in Munga, dyeable, and just like it's got such amazing flow to it. It's phenomenal. With this, we're going to do another natural Munga ombre pairing. Okay, ombre and this light colors have never looked better because you see, yahan se ye natural hai, and then there is the touch of orange, all in the same dupatta. And I think it's going to be a good pairing for something like this. Of course, you say that, you know, dye my kurta in orange with it. We can do it for you. Let me just show it to you separately as well. And you can see it right here. This. And the other look that we want to kind of go for is this, which is a same on same, like this. Now, when you see a set like this, आपके मन में कोई भी कलर है, आप शेड कार्ड से चूज करें, उसमें डाई कराएं. Munga picks up colors very differently from Georgette or Katan or Chinia. So that's the only thing you have to remember. बाकी आप आराम से इसको, you know, just pick up the color and you can get it done. I think it looks also very classy as it is. So great option for you to be going for. And these two are, I think these two or these three are just great dupattas that you have in this cotton Ghachola Bandhni. There is option 1 and it's really hot with this pink. I was just thinking should I wear it as a pink orange combination, but you can get the base color done. I think बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. This one I love. Okay, I'm going to show it to you like this. It's the most beautiful color with all of the detailing that you're looking for. It's a blue. Okay, and just look at the blue. It's just perfect. It's so fresh with that touch of red. I think it's different. And the third option in it is this one. And now this one is also really 3 distinct colors for you to pick up from. And of course, मैंने pink दिखाया था, the pink with the red bandhni, which you absolutely must go after. And this one. The last look is going to be all pink look. Oh, thank you. That's so nice of all of you guys. You know, keep the comments coming. You know, ask us. When I say keep the comments coming, it's very important. You ask us about what you want to know about our pieces, okay? So it's always really good. And look at that. Now that's the final one. This dupatta is just beautiful. Look at that. Look at the color, the feel. I think the gold stands out so well in it. So it's just really pretty, okay? And there you go. That's the dupatta that you're going for. And now, with it, we are doing something really simple. A cotton jacquard, which is 2250 per meter. You go for this dupatta along with it. Can I get some match? When you go for 5 meters of cotton jacquard, so 2250 into 5, and this dupatta, 22,800 together, and you have a really nice set, 34,050. If you're going for 5 meters anarkali, add a plain bottom, 2450. But just look at this entire beauty. It's amazing. Okay, that's all from now. Thank you very much for joining us. Just some quick updates that, yes, this is the last live of the week. So make sure that you get your favorite pieces. Lots and lots of wonderful options, all in the mid-range for you to pick up from, and many of these can like just go away right now. Meena Munga can be paired with your gold tissue. Munga tissue, again, tissue is all about sheen. Munga is all about the opposite, which is the understated look of it. So they're very different kind of fabrics. For me, it's not my first recommendation that you pair them together. Same thing if you ask me, tissue with katan or tissue with chinia, it's perfect. So yeah, that's on the fabrics together. And pairings, this is what I've been doing, and I can help you with it. If you always have any specific question such as this one, just drop it in. I will answer it as soon as I can. So thank you once again. Enjoy the live. Come on WhatsApp and shop. We ship worldwide, so Delhi, Gurgaon, and all the other cities definitely included in that. Many of you have been asking for that. Cash on delivery is there. Mumbai में studio, आप कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं यहाँ. Just book an appointment with us. Thank you. Have a great one, and we